Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to order a physical card right from your app. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your app and go to the Home tab located in the bottom menu. Next, tap on the card icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll manage your cards. Now, tap Add New, and you'll see a few options at the top of the screen like Debit, Pro, Joint, or Kids and Teens. Select the one that fits your account type. After that, choose Physical Card. You'll now be able to swipe between card types and designs. Take a moment to pick the one you like best. Once you've made your selection, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order. You might need to confirm your address or payment method for delivery. And that's it. Your new physical card will be on its way soon. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.